Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, everybody? What's going on, family? We're gonna jump right into the riding today. Feels good to be back on the bike. I haven't went for a ride in a couple days, so definitely feels good to be back. Definitely feels good to be back. It's gonna be a quick little short trip today. I'm very excited. It's so beautiful out. It's a hot, hot day. I hope you all are out there doing wonderful and amazing and great. How is everybody doing out there? How is everybody doing out there? I hope y'all are just doing fantastic. If you're watching the video right now and you ride motorcycles, drop a comment on what you ride. Let me know what y'all are riding today. I love reading your guys' comments. I appreciate every comment on every video. Yo, and we are back at it. Had to pull over for a moment for some technical difficulties. But hey, we are back, we are back. Gotta stop at this alleyway because some people fly through here. Some people fly through there. Yeah, so I'm just on the road to get a vape. I'm just on the road to get a vape. So I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna go to a different vape shop than originally planned. Some trash in the road right there. Some trash in the road right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to a different vape shop. I'm not sure what kind of vape I'm gonna get yet. And I'm actually riding in my Hey Dude shoes today. Yeah, I'm riding in my Hey Dude shoes. I actually just ordered another pair of them. I've been really enjoying them. If you're watching the video until this... Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? So super funny. I recorded the whole rest of this video already. But I recorded it with the camera facing the wrong way. So, because of that, I am just gonna take it for another cruise just to finish up that video, this video. Just for a little cruise. I was talking about a few different topics and things, but really, this whole trip was just to get a new vape. So I'm very excited about a new vape review I'm gonna be doing. And if you ever wanna watch my live streams, I'm live every day on an app called Meet Me. Meet Me, I'm live every day. So, I'm also getting a new tattoo soon. I need to get some new ink soon. If you know me, you know tats have been a huge part of my life. What's up, everybody? If you watched the video until this point, please make sure to like, subscribe, follow, share with a friend, drop a comment down below. Be interactive with the content. I appreciate you all so much. I can't even remember what was said and was not said in my last recording that got messed up. So, I'm just winging it out here. I'm just winging it out here. Such a beautiful day, though. Such a beautiful day. video is gonna be getting wrapped up right about now. So much love and appreciation for you all. If you watch this whole video, if you watched the video until this point, make sure to drop a comment. I love reading your comments so much. I love reading your comments. As you always know, as I say, there's always new content coming soon. Always new videos coming soon, some new content I'm very excited about. So we're gonna call this video a wrap. Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Peace.